Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on INFINIX Note 40. So you have to start by swiping down on your screen, then enter Settings application, and now you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Kids and Family, and then click on Parental Controls. Now click Get Started and select Child or Teen. Now click Next. And here click on Other Create Account for your child. Now you have to enter your child's email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your child password. And now you have to scroll down and click Accept. And here click on your account. And now you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down. And here you have to enter your child password again. And now click Next. And here you have to scroll all the way down and then click Next. Click Next again. And here you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip and then click Skip again. Now click on Review Controls. And now, as you can see, my parental control is set up, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.